The Federation of Khasi, Jaintia and Garo People, Fkjgp, Nongpo Circle met the District School Education Officer, DSEO of Bhoi to address concerns regarding schools refusing to issue transfer certificates which are vital for students seeking admission to other institutions. Led by Fkjgp Nongpo Circle General Secretary Precious Kimdet, the delegation submitted a formal letter to DSEO Ruby Z. Das urging immediate action. In response, DSEO Das assured the Fkjgp that a notification will be issued to all schools in the district, mandating compliance with regulations to facilitate student transfer.
Tin kajing ujuar ke babun na kaliang yang kami kikpa bat ki bahing masam yang kena school halor kajing kidon ki school kadu kat ne ki school ki bak ITC yang kena school ane uta kim ai atau open number te teng kajing pemiot TC jong ki kena open sem sitom yang ki kena school bak ni ki school nama ki school kam ga TC ki namla ki admission ma te ya dia kena ba kajing kenduk jungi bat imadam ila ai kata assurance ba insim kia halor kane ka benta ba i na jong i in pha ga notification sa ki school ba ki dei ban ai ya kata ka transfer certificate.
The Hindu Trip Youth Council HYC met with